Iguazu, on the border of Brazil and Argentina, is made up of 275 waterfalls arranged in a horseshoe shape 2.7 kilometers, 3,000 yards, wide, forming a natural amphitheater of water power. Some cascades drop 82 meters, 269 feet, straight down a rugged precipice into a yawning gorge below. Others tumble over a series of short steps. Eleanor Roosevelt, the wife of the former U.S. President Franklin D. Roosevelt, said the Iguazu Falls make our Niagara Falls look like a kitchen faucet. A permanent cloud of mist hovers 30 meters, 100 feet, high, usually sparkling with rainbows. The moisture nourishes the surrounding tropical forest and more than 2,000 species of plants, including begonias, orchids, ferns, lianas, and palms. Toucans, flocks of parrots, and swifts dodge in and out of the falls to feed on insects, and myriad butterflies flit among the greenery.